writing a product description that actually sells. Selling stuff online is simply not that easy. There are so many moving parts to the process, like driving traffic, ad design, audience targeting, sales page design, website functionality, proper psychology, and more. It takes a long time to fully understand each step in the process. I'm not talking about eBay or Amazon where you post something and leave the fate up to chance. I'm talking about a concrete process that actually works, where you can rinse and repeat the results and build an actual empire from a product or a service, whichever you choose. If your product description sucks, no one will buy your stuff. Here's 3 tips to write a product description that actually sells. Before we begin, you need to know that copywriting refers to the titles, description, spacing between letters and sentences, how the content is broken up, and the psychology used in writing the actual words. Basically, all the text on the sales page is considered the copywriting. Tip number 1. Trigger emotion. In sales, people do not buy based on logic. They buy based on emotion, and then they justify it with logic. Think about a hamburger commercial. They don't start off by showing you a burger and saying, "This burger is so cheap you can buy 10 of them and still have money left over," right? They usually say something more like, "This juicy burger will have you distracted all day because it tastes so good. Oh yeah, did I mention you can feed the whole family for under $9? Here's the breakdown of what just happened. This juicy burger triggers positive emotions toward a properly cooked burger that's not dry. Typically, juicy burgers are high quality and expensive. The desire to partake in high class activities is an emotional reaction. This is emotion. Distracted all day because it tastes so good. This implies that the reader has experienced a positive dopamine rush associated with something addicting: cigarettes, alcohol, drugs, tasty sugary desserts, etc. Subconsciously, it references positive memories in your brain. Fulfilling the addictive tendency is an emotional state of satisfaction. Killing the craving, that's an emotion. Now we're going to justify this sentence with logic. Feeds the whole family for under $9. It's an inexpensive meal and it's going to make your money stretch. That's logical for everybody. Use words that help trigger emotions in the person reading your descriptions. Make sure your words and emotions are congruent with whatever product you're selling. In sales, people generally want to either chase pleasure or run away from pain. Make sure you stick to only one of these themes on your sales page. Tip number 2, use logic. After a visitor has an emotional investment, their brain will start thinking of ways to justify the purchase. Sales 101, make it easy for the customer to give you money. The path of least resistance always wins. If you can help show why the product is justifiable logically, it means that the prospect has to use less brain power to make the decision. Essentially, you want to hold their hand through the entire sales process. It's no longer about why is this product cool. Now it's about why does this product make sense? How can I justify it? Tip number 3, show the savings. Fact, everybody likes saving money. Answer the following questions when you're writing your descriptions. Number 1, why is my product so valuable and what makes it so unique? Make sure to focus on the high value points. Number 2, why and how is this product a better deal than the competitors? Increased perceived value and a lower price point equals a double threat. You'll be better off. Conclusion. Writing a product description that actually sells is not easy, but it can absolutely be accomplished using the right strategy. A/B test your descriptions if they don't work. There's a winning description out there, you just need to uncover it. Using the 3 tips I just talked about, you'll be writing a product description that actually sells in no time.